Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today I got one of the baddest watch faces on the market to date. This one here, hands down, is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. Now this one here is by X9 Studio, and I'm gonna let you know in the door if you need to go get your popcorn, your milk and cookies, your pizza, whatever you need to get to help you to get comfortable, go get it, because this may take a minute. I gotta show you all the features and functions that this watch face entails so you can see what you're in for when you download this watch face. And on top of that, I'm going to see if I can get a few watch face codes from the developer. I'm not promising anything, but if not, this watch face, to me, in my opinion, is worth its weight in gold. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check this one out. The name of the watch face is called X9 Capsule. And as you can see, the time is inside the capsule. It looks really nice. You can call it time capsule, right? Now in always on mode, you're pretty much gonna have an eco-friendly looking watch face. It's very nice and it's very sleek. But when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, this thing lights up. Now it looks like it's a simple digital watch face, but it's much more than that. Now, if you can look and see right here, you can see that you got animated seconds going around the bezel of the watch. Also, you get your step status info. You can tap into your steps, go into your shortcut there, and you also can do the same thing with miles walked or ran, your heart rate, your calories burned, and also forest climb. You're gonna get your date, your day, and your stacked digital time, which I like, and I do love the fact that they're putting PM stamps on watch faces now, which is pretty cool. Now, if I tap right here, I can go in to my calendar, which is pretty cool, right? I like that. And if I double tap on the time, I can cut these off if I want to. And if I double tap down at the bottom, I can cut them back on, or I can cut them off, or vice versa. You can do that. Me, I like it on. I think this is a really slick look, right? Now check this out. Now, up at the top, I can customize the color of the watch face. Just double tap. If I can double tap, and I can customize the different colors. Do you see how it's lighting up around the rim here of the time? Looks slick. You get, I believe it's 10 watch face colors in all. And it's hard to do it from behind the camera, but I'm telling you, this guy really lit this up. I want to let you see all the different colors that this watch face has to offer. And I thought it was pretty slick, right? But again, that's not it. So if you look right here, I could tap right here and it opens up a calendar. Now that's shortcuts. You got them there, you got them right here. Tap on the spot and I can set my favorite for that one. I get 4 in all, right? And I can go around, and this is still not it. Okay, shortcuts are nothing new, right? But check this out. If I tap on this part right here, I can add an icon, and that is what I thought was super slick about this. Just keep double tapping until you get to the one you already have set for. So if you have a gallery set, you can keep going till there's a gallery. You can keep going to where there's weather, Samsung Pay, your contacts, email. I'm telling you, this guy lit this watch face up. He did his thing with this watch face. I'm loving it. You gotta check this one out in the Gear Manager store. I'm thinking, people, this watch face is definitely worth its weight in gold. So what do you think, people? I like it. I think it's an awesome looking watch face. I think the developer definitely did a great job on this one. All right, you all, with that, let's go ahead and let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now number 2 is nice. I like number 2. It's called X9 Kiss, right? K-I-S, not K-I-S-S. It's a free version. Of course, the paid version is going to give you an option to customize the color. That's pretty much it for the most part, right? But again, it's a paid version. Now the free version is pretty nice. It's basic, it's simple. You're gonna have it in the black theme mode through and through, which means that you're gonna have it when it's on, and also when it's in the AOD mode for the Gear 3, the Gear Sport, and of course your Galaxy Watch. Now for the Gear 2, it's gonna look slightly different. It's gonna add a little bit of color to it. So on both watch faces, you'll be able to see your time at a glance with no problem. Now, looking at this watch face while it's on is not a bad look. Big, bold digital time, of course, I like, because I can't see. All right, with that being said, you get, of course, shortcuts. So if you need to go into the weather, you can go into the weather. And for a free watch face, I thought this was pretty cool. And of course, I can go in and get my text messages. So I thought that was nice. You get your date down at the bottom, PM stamp. You also get your battery percentage down at the bottom as well, and you get a nice secondhand, a red secondhand at that, going around the bezel of the watch. Again, this is not a bad look for a free digital watch face by this developer. Now, as you've seen, he got 6 thumbs up in the door for number 1. Keep your eye on this guy as well. X9 and also GS, I'm telling you, these people are taking it really to a whole new level. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And I know it's the weekend, people. Listen, enjoy, have fun with family and friends, but most of all, remember, be safe. Hit the like button on the way out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.